Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm doing is I'm doing a video shout out to the Woodshed Smoke and Barbecue with Slowhand channel. This channel is a fairly small one. It doesn't have a lot of subscribers and kind of like just getting started, but he has a lot of good recipes on there and a lot of good barbecue. I want to give another shout out to Phil and Florence for sending me over there, because I never knew about this great channel what this man has, and it's really good. He made chicken and vegetables in a large Dutch oven on a flat top grill, and that stuff come out fantastic. I tell you, you got to check out that video. And what this video is about is I want all my viewers and subscribers to check out his channel, subscribe to it. Give this guy a little bit of support, because he's got a great channel. He just don't have the backing and support for it. But the channel is fantastic. Y'all check it out. I think you agree with me. The guy's an excellent cook, excellent at barbecue, and it's just a great channel. And it's a small channel. And I like to kind of promote these small channels, because I once was small, and by all you viewers and subscribers, you made me fairly large. I'm not large like I don't have 1 million subscribers, but that's somewhat I really don't want, because I like to answer everybody's emails or comments, and that's what I do. And I answer every comment what someone posts. And what I want to do is just pass that on to all my viewers and subscribers out there. You guys just go ahead and check them out. I think you agree with me. And it's once again, it's the Woodshed Smoke and Barbecue with Slowhand, and that's the name of the channel. And I want to go ahead and give you Slowhand. I want to give you a Lone Star salute, all the way down here from Tornado Alley, Texas. Lone Star salute for having such a great channel. And this is Scoggett, and I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And you guys, give this guy some backing, and y'all take care.